Yeah, these are my people. This is my life. I was born here. I was bred here. My clinic was behind this hospital. I know what the issue is. And for me, Christmas is incomplete if most of us are not celebrating on the same period. So last year was tremendous. This year is even bigger. This is the best Christmas that I can have. The truth for me is to celebrate the coming of Christ. Doing it with the sick. After this, you have with the widows, then with the youths, then with the traditional rulers, with all segments of the society, to show that God has been good to me. When I was joining politics, the cry wasn't whether I should win, but I was leaving them. What happens to their heads? And we committed ourselves that as long as we live, we bring doctors better than us to come and help them. And the doctors from the Go Africa and a lot of other doctors and institutions around had this since 2007. So you can see if these people are going to have Christmas earlier, then my Christmas is made. And next year we will know that as long as we live, even if we are living, well, everything our children that they will sustain this so that their salary name will be synonymous with a Christmas. Excited. I know that you have your hands full. The patients will come because the credibility of the treatment is established. The fact that you do not interfere. If you come on time, you will be treated on time. And all those who come will make all efforts with the doctors that came with Kibu and those who are from the local area to see all patients, to treat all manner of diseases as God enables us. And those that are beyond us will refer and follow up. So I'm quite optimistic. If by this time this number is still getting cards, and I've seen the number of surgeries already done, I've seen the number of cataracts removed, and we're getting the data section off and running now. This year we introduce psychiatry, and you are seeing patients that ordinarily people will lose interest in. So this is my Christmas. This is my life.
This
was hard. What of last year's own? What of last 2 years? What of last 3 years? So this is my life, and we bless God, we glorify God. We thank you for sharing our problem with us. We know you are coming from a different part of Nigeria, but what holds Nigeria together is too much. I've done this in Sokoto. I've gone as a doctor to Tambuwal local government to do this, and I have seen that it works. When you leave, some of these people are not going to be able to see doctors again until we come with another. So we're not going to be doing it annually. We do it quarterly. We do it anytime we are able to do it. So thank God. We really commend you. We commend these young doctors that have volunteered to come and stay in the village and live it rough with us. We still have some days to go. So we believe that all patients should be seen. And we pray that the God that heals, you try to treat, the actual curing will come from God. That anybody who has come here with any sickness will go home healthy, so that this Christmas will really be a Christmas for them. Thank you for coming. God bless you. God bless you.